Hey friends, on today's quick video, we're going to be checking out this car vacuum cleaner. Now this is the CV100. It's made by Airmoto. Now obviously this is marketed as a car vacuum cleaner, something nice you can just keep in your vehicle. So let's unbox this, let's give it a quick demo and a review. Now inside the box, you're going to find a couple of things. Obviously we have the main vacuum cleaner unit here. We'll take that apart in just a sec so you can see what the internal pieces look like. We have a car charging port. So this is going to be nice, obviously, in your vehicle. There's also no way of changing out the plug down here. You can see this is just a one plug kind of a version. We also have some attachments over here. You got a longer hose as well as a skinny nozzle to get in those tight places in your vehicle and a brush nozzle. And then we also have a little carrying bag that we can stick everything in to make it nice and convenient and compact in the back of our vehicle. Now, if you need to get into this main case after you've hit the power button, you've vacuumed a little bit, the way to get in here is with this button up here that releases this top portion. We can set the bottom off to the side here. There is a little filter that needs to be popped out just like this, and then we can dump out all of our dirt and grime like that. Okay, we're out here in the truck right now. This is my Toyota Tacoma. And as you can see down here, we've got our little 12-volt plug. There's also quite a bit of extension here on our cable, which is nice. So I think this could be used in like a larger minivan or something like that. If you needed to get back into those far reaches of a vehicle, you don't have to worry about length of cord. So let's go ahead and plug it into our 12-volt just like this. Obviously, we'll have to turn the vehicle on in order to get power, at least to the accessory mode. Okay, with it plugged in, we are ready to give her a quick demo. So again, our power button is down here. We've got a bunch of dirt and grime down here on our floor mats. Let's go ahead and try this out. So as you can see, all the loose stuff, like the loose dog hair and the rocks and things like that, are coming up pretty easily. But the stuff that's really embedded into the fibers of the floor mats, like the hair and things like that, this just alone is not doing a super great job of getting that. Let's try one of the accessories. Now, let's use the brush accessory for this. You can either get out the hose and use that for an extension, but I really want some power and a little bit of leverage. So I'm just gonna stick this accessory brush straight into the nozzle like this, and let's give this another try. Okay, so in my opinion, that's working a ton better on getting all of that ingrained dirt and fiber hair out of the mats. Again, you can see it does get caught kind of in this bristles, so you will have to clean this out every once in a while. Just kind of pull it off the bristles if you want it to go down into the holding tube down here. But that is definitely working a lot better compared to just using the straight nozzle down here, which only picks up the larger items. So there you go, friends. That is the Airmoto car vacuum cleaner. I think this is a decent product to have in your vehicle if you want to collect big stuff, maybe like kid snacks that drop really easily. If you want a big, deep clean, I don't think this is going to be the product for you. I think you're going to be better off with those high power vacuums at like a car wash or something like that. I also am a little bit bummed that it doesn't have a battery operation, but again, you save on budget by using this wired plug-in. You do have to have your vehicle on, remember, in order to use it. This will limit you from getting really long distances and maybe a big Sprinter van or something like that. But again, if you're just using this for your everyday driver or a minivan, I think it would work okay. So there you go. You can find it for yourself right here on Amazon. We'll put some links in the description box below if you'd like to try it out for yourself. And if this has been helpful, if you'd like to watch some of our other reviews for car style products, as well as all sorts of other gear and different things that we'd like to test, then stay tuned. We got a bunch more of those videos coming up soon. We'll see you again on the next one.